The year was 1086, and the Norman Conquest of England had been completed. The Normans, led by William the Conqueror, had vanquished the Anglo-Saxons, and the land was under new rule. But amidst the ruins of the old order, a remarkable document emerged, the Domesday Book. This comprehensive survey of England's land and resources was a feat of administration and arithmetic that far surpassed the capabilities of the invading Normans. Yet the true genius behind this achievement is often overlooked, hidden in the shadows of history. The Domesday Book is a ledger of immense detail, recording the economic and tax systems of England. It was not a document designed to glorify the conquest, but a practical tool for taxation. Despite the Normans' military prowess, the Saxons had a superior grasp of administration and arithmetic, skills that were crucial for the Domesday Book's creation. This administrative prowess was a legacy of Alfred the Great, who had laid the groundwork for a sophisticated system of governance. The Normans, rather than introducing these skills, inherited and adapted them. However, the Domesday Book is not the only significant artifact from this period. The Bayeux Tapestry, a visual narrative of the conquest, is equally important. Despite its name, it is not a tapestry but an embroidery, and it was created in England, not France. The tapestry is often seen as a Norman creation, a piece of propaganda designed to justify the conquest. Yet, a closer examination reveals that it is an English creation, likely made by English artisans under the direction of a Norman patron. The traditional view is that the tapestry was embroidered by a team of women, possibly nuns, in a Canterbury workshop. However, this theory has several flaws. The tapestry is filled with vivid and accurate depictions of military, agricultural, and maritime activities details that would be impossible for cloistered nuns to know. Instead, the artisans were likely men, many of whom had practical experience in these fields. They were not monks or clerics, but laymen who had lived and worked in the real world. The tapestry's vibrant colors and lively scenes suggest that the artisans were skilled and experienced. The use of a technique called laid and couched work, with stem and outline stitches, indicates a practical approach, one suited to a project of such scope. The tapestry was likely worked in sections, with each section joined together to form a continuous narrative. The variations in style and depiction suggest a team of multiple artisans, each bringing their own expertise to the project. One of the most intriguing aspects of the tapestry is its attention to detail. The ships, weapons, and buildings are depicted with remarkable accuracy. The shipwrights, for example, are shown using specific tools and techniques that would have been familiar to those who worked in the shipyards. Similarly, the agricultural scenes are filled with intricate details that only someone with first-hand experience could have known. The tapestry's creators were not just skilled artisans, but also individuals with a deep understanding of the world around them. They were men who had lived through the conquest, who had seen the battles and the changes that followed. Their work is a testament to their resilience and their ability to adapt to a new order while preserving the traditions and skills of their ancestors. The Bayeux Tapestry is more than just a piece of history. It is a window into the lives of the people who lived through one of the most significant events in English history. It is a story of survival, of adaptation, and of the enduring spirit of a people who, despite being conquered, continue to shape their own destiny. The Bayeux Tapestry, a remarkable piece of art that has survived for centuries, tells a story that is as rich in history as it is in mystery. This intricate embroidery, depicting the events leading up to the Norman Conquest of England in 1066, has long been a subject of debate among historians. Was it made in England or France, by men or women, by secular artists or cloistered monks? These questions have challenged scholars for generations, but the evidence suggests a compelling answer. The tapestry's creation was a business venture, commissioned by a powerful Norman patron, possibly Bishop Odo, William the Conqueror's half-brother. The artists who crafted it were likely Englishmen, not women, and they were secular artisans rather than monks. These men had a deep understanding of the world beyond the cloister, a knowledge that allowed them to create a work that is both detailed and realistic. They were not just skilled in embroidery, but also in the art of storytelling, using their experiences of war and their familiarity with the English landscape to bring the scenes to life. The tapestry's focus on the nobility and the cavalry, rather than the common soldier, suggests that the patron who commissioned it was a man of high status, possibly a cavalryman himself. The scenes of the Battle of Hastings depict the English as brave and worthy opponents, a necessary portrayal to enhance the Norman victory. However, the absence of certain details, like the Malfas incident, indicates that the embroiderers did not have first-hand knowledge of the battle. Instead, they worked from a brief, possibly provided by their patron, who dictated the events and scenes to be included. The tapestry's survival is nothing short of miraculous. Unlike other medieval textiles that were often damaged or destroyed, the Bayeux Tapestry has remained largely intact. It was likely stored in a cedar wood box for much of its history, protecting it from the ravages of time. The minimal damage to the margins and the integrity of the embroidery suggest that it was never hung on tenter hooks, which would have caused significant wear and tear. This leads to an intriguing possibility. The tapestry was created, but perhaps never used for its intended purpose. It may have been hidden or stored away, possibly due to a change in political fortunes, such as the arrest of Bishop Odo in 1082. The Bayeux Tapestry is more than just a historical document. It is a work of art that reflects the worldliness and skill of its creators. These Englishmen, possibly ex-soldiers, brought their experiences and knowledge to the task, creating a piece that is both a testament to their artistry and a window into a pivotal moment in history. The tapestry's survival is a reminder of the complex and often mysterious nature of historical artifacts, and it continues to captivate and inspire those who study it today.